What if your card reader could also protect your memory cards? Sounds simple, but this little device actually does it all. The Llano F17 2-in-1 pocket card reader case. Another interesting part is that it has F17 high speed. Compact, practical, and thoughtfully designed, it's the kind of tool that can genuinely level up your workflow as a creator. If you're into photography or videography, you know how messy managing multiple memory cards can get. They're easy to lose, scratch, or mix up, and carrying extra readers doesn't help. That's where a simple, all-in-one solution like this makes things way easier. So let's dive in and take a closer look at the nitty-gritty of the Llano 2-in-1 pocket card reader, and see how this compact little device can actually support your journey in vlogging and content creation. Right out of the box, the Llano F17 gives off a clean, premium vibe. It comes in a compact square design with a sleek silver finish that feels modern and minimal. The body is built with an ABS composite shell, which not only looks good but also helps with heat dissipation during long file transfers. That's important because high-speed transfers can generate heat, especially when you're moving large video files. One of the standout design elements here is the magnetic cover. It snaps into place nicely and protects your cards from dust, scratches, or accidental drops. Plus, there's a lanyard loop, which makes it super easy to carry. You can attach it to your bag, camera strap, or even your keychain, or just slip it into your pocket and carry it anywhere with ease. And then there's the cable. It's a built-in braided cable with a strong outer layer designed to handle wear and tear. The flexibility is great, and it feels durable enough for long-term use. Overall, this is one of those products that feels thoughtfully designed, not just for looks, but for real-world usage. This is where things get really interesting. The Llano F17 isn't just a reader, it's also a card holder, as we said. As a Llano UHS 2SD and micro SD card reader adapter with TF 4.0 memory card reader holder and 6-slot card storage, it allows you to store 2 full-size SD cards and 4 micro SD cards at the same time. That means you can carry your essential storage in one compact holder without worrying about losing anything. Think about outdoor shoots where you're constantly switching cards. Maybe one for photos, one for videos, backups, or even drone footage. Instead of juggling loose cards or bulky cases, everything stays organized in one place. It's lightweight, pocket-friendly, and perfect for travel. Whether you're heading out for a shoot, going on a trip, or working remotely, this kind of compact storage makes a huge difference. This is honestly one of those features you don't realize you need until you start using it. Now let's talk about performance, because this is where a lot of card readers fall short. The Llano F17 supports UHS 2SD cards and TF 4.0 micro SD cards, which means it can reach transfer speeds of up to 312 megabytes per second. In real-world use, this means transferring 4K video footage becomes smooth and quick, large raw photo files move in seconds, and you don't have to deal with unnecessary waiting between editing sessions. If you're a content creator working with heavy files, this speed can save you a lot of time. And what's even better is the stability. Thanks to its smart chip and internal cable design, transfers feel consistent without random disconnections or drops. It's not just fast, it's reliable. Plus, you also get stable cooling with a smart temperature control chip and 182 vent holes, helping keep performance consistent even during long, heavy file transfers. One feature that really stands out is the independent dual card reading system. You get separate slots for SD and micro SD cards, and both can work simultaneously. That means you can transfer files from 2 cards at the same time, copy data directly from one card to another, and even backup footage without needing a laptop in between. This is incredibly useful for photographers and videographers who shoot on multiple devices like a DSLR and a drone. Imagine finishing a shoot outdoors with footage on your camera's SD card and your drone's micro SD card. Instead of transferring them one by one, you plug both into the reader and handle everything at once. It's efficient and saves a lot of time in your workflow. It keeps things simple, and that's exactly what you want. It's fully plug and play, so there's no need to install drivers or software. You just connect it and start using it right away. Inside, it has a smart chip and a multi-core internal cable system that ensures stable and secure data transfer across different devices. Compatibility is wide as it works with Mac, Windows, Android, and Linux systems without any issues. It also comes with a USB-C to USB-A adapter, which means you can use it with both modern and older devices seamlessly. Whether you're editing on a laptop, transferring files to a phone, or backing up data on a desktop, this reader fits right into your setup. There's also a subtle breathing light indicator that shows when the device is active, which adds a nice touch to the overall experience. Now let's bring everything together and talk about how this actually fits into real life. For outdoor photography, you can be out on a shoot, capturing landscapes or portraits while using multiple SD cards. With this card reader, you can safely store your used cards inside the case, while also using the reader to transfer files directly to your laptop or even your phone, without needing extra accessories. For travel and content creation, this device becomes a reliable daily companion. You can shoot during the day, transfer footage at night, and keep everything organized in one place. The compact size means it barely takes up space, and the durable build ensures it holds up during travel. For drone and action camera users who mostly rely on micro SD cards, the 4 dedicated slots make it easy to carry multiple backups. You can transfer footage instantly after shooting, and even manage files from multiple devices at once using the dual card feature. For office and daily use, it works great for transferring documents, presentations, or media files quickly between devices without any hassle. If you work from home but occasionally need to store your data and submit it at the office, this makes the whole process much easier. And if you're a remote video editor or someone handling large amounts of footage, it can really help you manage and store files efficiently, letting you organize and divide your data across multiple cards without stress. For on-the-go editing, especially if you edit on a tablet or smartphone, the USB-C compatibility allows you to plug it in and access your files immediately, making your workflow faster and more flexible. At the end of the day, it helps you stay organized by replacing scattered cards, slow transfers, and multiple adapters with one compact and efficient solution. So yeah, that's the Llano F17. It's one of those small tools that quietly improve your workflow in a big way. You get fast transfer speeds, dual card functionality, and a design that actually makes sense for real-world use. It's not trying to be flash, it's just practical, efficient, and reliable. If you're a creator, photographer, or someone who works with memory cards regularly, this is definitely worth considering. Now, I want to hear from you. Would you actually use something like this in your daily workflow? Drop your thoughts in the comments, hit like if you found this helpful, and subscribe for more real-world tech reviews like this. See you in the next one.